Hello. 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 My name is James. My name is James. My name is James. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Chicago. I am from Chicago. I am from Chicago. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? How are you? How are you? How are you? I am good. I am good. I am good. How about you? How about you? How about you? How is your day? How is your day? How is your day? It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. It is cold. It is cold. It is cold. I like this place. I like this place. I like this place. You are very nice. You are very nice. You are very nice. What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? I like sports. I like sports. I like sports. What food do you like? What food do you like? What food do you like? I like pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. What music do you like? What music do you like? What music do you like? I like pop music. I like pop music. I like pop music. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. Can you recommend a place? Can you recommend a place? Can you recommend a place? I can help you. I can help you. I can help you. Let us go there. Let us go there. Let us go there. Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I must go now. I must go now. I must go now. Can I have your number? Can I have your number? Can I have your number? I add you. I add you. I add you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. See you later. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Goodbye. 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 Bye. 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 See you. See you. See you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.